Hello there. In this video, I am going to review 4 different feminine washes. So I have this Queen V. This I purchased from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I have this Honey Pot. This is Cucumber Aloe. Monistat. I have this Monistat Feminine Cleanser. And then I also have this VH Essentials. This is a tea tree oil and prebiotic daily feminine wash. But before I do the review, let's talk about how to cleanse that area. So I am a nurse, but I am not giving medical advice. I'm just telling you all what I do and what other women I've talked to, what they do. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna put a diagram up of the vagina. So some women were taught to only cleanse the labia majora, which is the outer part of the vagina, but that's not correct. What you need to do, you need to cleanse the whole area. So not only do you need to cleanse the labia majora, you need to cleanse the labia minora, the mons pubis, your vaginal opening, and your urethral opening. You need to cleanse everything, not just the outer part. You need to get in there and cleanse everything. You also want to cleanse your gluteus maximus too. So you want to open up and you want to cleanse everything. I hate to say crack, but you want to cleanse from the crack all the way to the front. So you want to cleanse your anal area, and you want to cleanse your gluteus maximus, and you want to cleanse the crack too. Everything needs to be cleansed, not just portions of it. So if you don't cleanse the whole area, that could lead to odor. And actually, women can get smegma. Smegma is it kind of looks like a yellowish cheesy consistency, and it's like a buildup of oil, sweat, bodily fluid, and that can have a foul odor. So with that said, 4 different feminine washes. The first one I have is this Honey Pot here. This is a Cucumber Aloe. It says that it's gynecologist approved, pH balance 3.5 to 4.5. It says it minimizes odor, gentle and non-irritating. So this one is a foam. So what you do is I took the top off, and then you dispense it like this. And here's how it looks. So what you do is you wet that area and you apply it to everywhere I told you. Apply it all over, and then you rinse. So with Honey Pot, I bought this from Target, but you can also buy this from Amazon, and I'll put links in the description on how to buy this. So next, I actually found this at Dollar Tree. I have used the soap for this brand, but I didn't see the soap there. I just saw this. So this is called Queen V, and it is intimate wash, and it says it has lemongrass extract, gynecologist tested, free from parabens and artificial colors. And again with this, so let me show you how this looks. So here is a Queen V wash, and again you want to put this in all the areas I talked about earlier in this video. Next, I have the Monistat Feminine Cleanser. This one says it has boric acid. It says it gently cleanses away odor and discharge. It is safe and gentle cleanse that matches a healthy and balanced pH. And it says it's non-irritating. So it has this top here. You just press this open, and let me show you the product. So here is the Monistat cleanser. The consistency is similar. The consistency is similar to the Queen V. And again, you apply this to all the areas I talked about earlier in this video, and then you rinse. So this Monistat, I purchased this on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below. And then last, I have this VH Essentials. This is a tea tree oil and prebiotic daily feminine wash. It says it's odor eliminating formula. And it says it gently cleanses sensitive, intimate areas, pH balanced, odor defense, and then it's infused with tea tree oil, prebiotics, cranberry, natural extracts, and more for complete feminine health. And it says it contains no parabens, gluten, artificial colors, artificial dyes, or animal byproducts. So let me show you this too. So out of all of the washes, this does have a scent. It's not bad, it's just kind of different, and I think it's because of the tea tree oil. If you all know what tea tree oil smells like, I'm smelling that in this. But let me show you the consistency. So here is the consistency for the VH Essentials. So yeah, like I said, it smells like tea tree oil. It's not a bad scent, it just smells like tea tree oil. And again, you want to apply this to all the areas I talked about in the video, and then you rinse with warm water. There are other brands like Summer's Eve, and I have used that in the past, but some of these I like a little bit better than Summer's Eve. So, and this is a personal choice, but for me, my number one is the Honey Pot. And then second would be this VH Essentials. The next one is the Monistat, and then the Queen V. So I kind of just buy to be honest, I kind of just buy what's on sale between the four of these. But like I said, the Honey Pot for me is my favorite. So let's say, okay, another tip. Let's say you do use the feminine washes in the morning, and then maybe later throughout the day, you may start to have an odor. First of all, I recommend you go to your doctor to see if there's anything medically going on. But if not, then there is another tip. Let me tell you. Let's say you're outside, it's hot, sweaty, and some things might start going on in the area. I like to use deodorant spray. Not feminine spray, deodorant spray. So I use this Degree. I use this Degree ultra clear black and white. So I spray it in that area, and I also spray it in my chest area to help combat odor in that area too. And like I said, and with this, I spray it all over the front and the back. And for me, it helps to eliminate any odor or smell. In addition to using this. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you've used any of these products, let me know in the comments. And if you have any tips or tricks, put those in the comment section too. Thanks for watching.